Welcome to your deep sleep English lesson. Close your eyes, breathe in, and breathe out. Tonight, your mind is open. You are learning English naturally. Repeat after me or just listen. I am calm. I am learning. English is easy for me. My mind is relaxed. I speak English clearly. Every day I get better. I am confident. I am at peace. Daily routine. Imagine a beautiful house. It is your house. I walk into the kitchen. The kitchen is clean. I make a cup of tea. The tea is warm. I sit on the sofa. The sofa is soft. I look out the window. I see the green trees. The birds are singing. It is a beautiful morning. I love my home. The quiet city, social scenarios. Now imagine you are walking in a quiet city. I meet a friend. I say, "How are you?" My friend smiles at me. We talk about the weather. The sun is shining today. I go to a small cafe. I order a coffee, please. I say, "Thank you very much." People are kind to me. I understand everything. English feels natural now. Deep immersion story. The stars are out now. The world is sleeping. You are walking through a forest of English words. They are like leaves on a tree. You don't need to try. You just listen. The river flows slowly. The water is clear. You hear the sounds of the night. You feel the cool breeze. Your English is growing like a tree. Deep roots, strong branches. When you wake up, you will remember these words. You will speak with a smile. You will feel proud of yourself. I am confident in my ability to handle complex challenges. Success requires a clear vision and a disciplined work ethic. We must analyze the data before making a final decision. Effective communication is the bridge between goals and results. I am constantly looking for ways to improve my professional skills. Content creation allows me to express my unique perspective. I am using AI tools to enhance the quality of my video projects. Consistency is the secret to building a loyal online audience. Every video I create is a step toward my long-term success. Let's explore new ways to make these lessons more engaging. The global traveler focus, navigating the world with ease. I am excited to explore new cultures and meet interesting people. Could you please tell me the best way to get to the city center? I appreciate your help. It has made my journey much easier. Traveling opens my mind to a world of endless possibilities. Module 4, the final transformation, focus, motivation and fluency, graduation. I have completed 30 hours of intensive English practice. My pronunciation is clear and my confidence is at an all-time high. I am now ready to speak English fluently in any situation. This is just the beginning of my journey as a global communicator. Expressing feelings and emotions. I am absolutely thrilled about this new opportunity. It's been a long day and I'm looking forward to some rest. I feel a bit nervous, but I'm ready to give it my best shot. To be honest, I'm still trying to wrap my head around this. Advanced business idioms. Let's not beat around the bush. We need to address the main issue. We are all in the same boat, so let's work together to find a solution. That is a great idea, but we need to keep an eye on the bottom line. It's time to go back to the drawing board and rethink our strategy. Household and daily transitions. I need to run a few errands before the shops close this evening. Could you please lend me a hand with these heavy grocery bags? I'm planning to tidy up the living room and do some laundry. Let's whip up a quick meal instead of ordering takeout tonight. The academic and research mindset, analysis, evidence, and logical structures. The evidence suggests a strong correlation between these two variables. We must critically evaluate the source before citing it in our report. The primary objective of this study is to identify sustainable solutions. I've spent the afternoon researching the historical context of this era. This theory provides a fascinating framework for understanding human behavior. The Medical and Wellness Guide, Focus, Health Symptoms, Pharmacy, and Anatomy. I've been experiencing a persistent headache and a slight fever lately. Could you please explain the potential side effects of this medication? A balanced diet and regular exercise are vital for long-term vitality. I'd like to schedule a routine physical examination for next Tuesday. Taking a deep breath helps to reduce my stress levels instantly. The Emotional Intelligence EQ session, Focus, Empathy, Conflict Resolution, and Soft Skills. I hear what you're saying, and I truly appreciate your perspective. Let's try to find a middle ground that benefits everyone involved. I am working on being more mindful of my reactions in stressful situations.